got leftover love play. Me and Jason have been to love play. There was a big festival on today in St Kilda. Lots of bombies everywhere. Bombies everywhere. Tight skirts, hot tops, boobs showing. Bombies everywhere. Saw a Lamborghini. Saw old Daytona race car. Porsches everywhere. Mercedes everywhere. BMWs everywhere. Lexus everywhere. Bombies everywhere. Back watching the tennis, the women's finals over. Bombies everywhere. Now it's time for juicing out the freezer. What's left of the juicing? Icing the juicing. Icing the juicing. Reminds me of Miss Juice's perfect 10D cup boobs. Saucy boobs. Hot saucy boobs. Extra hot saucy boobs. Miss Juice's boobs. Extra hot saucy boobs.